I tell you the price, guys. I got this for around.
It's a very windy evening. It's not raining.
This is the previous high. I was having a look at the Nifty chart. Let me show you something interesting. This is the previous high that the market made on the 27th of September 2024. Let me mark it for you. The previous high, which is here. Today it is the 1st of July. This is the previous high and this is today. It went down almost 17.5% and it has already come to almost the previous high in less than a year's time. A very famous Indian investor said about 4-5 months ago that he doesn't think that the market is going to reach anywhere close to the all-time high that it made in September. And yet here we are in less than 1 year's time. We are only about, let me check, 2.5% away from the previous high. We've seen so much since September 2024, India-Pakistan war, the Israel and Iran war, Trump and his tariffs. All in all, I think good performance by the market. Another investor has said there are no great investors, there are only great bull markets. It seems that there is some merit to that saying. Have a look at the crash that happened in June 2020. Anybody who put in money at that time surely has made a lot of money. Nifty itself went up by 250%. You just have to find the right time to enter to get good returns from the stock market. How do you know when Nifty has hit the bottom? Statistically, every time Nifty corrects by about 15 or 20%, and there is a chance that Nifty might turn around. Obviously, it could go another 10%, 20% from there, but that is where the pressure on the market cools down and Nifty has a chance of taking a U-turn. You could also have a look at other parameters like the Nifty PE. If you want to know more about finance, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I just received a parcel from Amazon. You guys must have come to know what it is in the thumbnail. It is a wireless mic for my iPhone. I'm shooting from my iPhone right now. So it is all quiet currently, so it's all good. But whenever there is a lot of noise around coming from outside the house, it gets captured in the video and it becomes very difficult and annoying for me to edit those sounds while working on the video. Right now I can hear somebody washing the utensils. I've ordered this mic. Let's quickly unbox it and see if it makes any difference, because guys, audio quality is everything. Okay, so this is it. Where's my knife? Packing is nice because a lot of times the box is all pressed up. Let's open it. It's by the company Zephlor. Wireless lavalier microphone. Plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception for iPhone. 2 mics and 1 receiver, so it's good for interviews and podcasts. Maybe the next podcast with Vijay Mallya will be done by me. Let's open the box.
Oh my god.
So far, I'm impressed with the packaging. I frankly wasn't expecting the packaging to be this good. So I got this for 900 rupees. So this is the receiver. This is the first mic and this is the second one. Comes with a clip. Comes with a USB Type-C. And also, I think this mic is going to be enough to stop the echoing sounds that come through in the video. It's going to be a task to charge each of these. I would have preferred, both these coming in a case, but then those were more expensive, and frankly, I think this is all that I need. So the receiver is still in my hand. It's not connected to the phone. Let's peel this off. And let's clip this onto the collar first. I'm going to connect this to the iPhone and let's turn the mic on and see if it makes any difference. In goes the receiver.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, the light has turned green and it's not blinking anymore, so I'm presuming that the mic is connected to the phone. You guys let me know, does it make a difference? I'm sitting 3 feet away from the phone right now and I'm expecting that mic is picking up my sound. I'm guessing that at least the echoing sound is taken care of, but the real test is going to be outdoors. Let's quickly step outside and test out the audio quality of this mic.
Okay, guys, I'm right in the middle of a very busy chowk, Baner. A lot of traffic everywhere, and everybody is honking, and it's very noisy in general. The mic is attached to the collar. The green light is on. That means it's working. You can see the number of cars and bikes. So many people are honking. So this is as noisy as it gets. Very noisy. If this mic can pass in this environment, I think it can pass in most environments. Okay. So now I'm taking left turn from here. It's a very windy evening. It's not raining. Now I am going at 30 kilometers per hour, and the mic is attached to the collar. So let's see how much of the wind sound can it cancel out. There's a lot of wind noise right now, so I'll be happy if it performs well in this condition also. Mic is open on the collar, nothing covering it really. So let's see if it can perform well in this situation. 45, 52 kilometers per hour. I will go back home and check the result.
For 900 rupees, I think this wireless mic is a good deal. It instantly connects to the phone. All you have to do is just plug in the receiver inside. Button over here, once this green light remains stable, stops flashing, that means your mic is fully connected to the phone. And it was quite effective in cancelling out the sound of the wind. I'm going to leave an Amazon link of this product in the description. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Chalo, I'll see you in the next video then. Bye.